In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect IC markets to cTrader. Before we begin, there's one essential requirement. You must have a cTrader account with IC markets. Accounts created for MT4 or MT5 will not work here, so make sure you're using an IC Markets cTrader account. You'll also need your cTrader ID, often called cTID. When your cTrader ID is created, you should receive a Welcome to cTrader ID email. Keep those login details handy. Let's start by opening cTrader Web through your IC Markets Secure Client area. Log into your IC Markets web portal, then look at the left-hand panel and select the Downloads section. Scroll down until you find the cTrader area, choose the Web option, and click Open cTrader Web. This route ensures you're launching the correct platform version linked to your broker. When cTrader Web opens, click Login. Enter the email and password associated with your cTrader ID. This isn't your MT4 or MT5 login. It's specifically the cTrader ID you received by email. If you use the correct credentials, you'll be signed in to your cTrader profile. This ID is your central key, allowing cTrader to pull in the trading accounts associated with your broker. After you're logged in, your IC Markets accounts will appear automatically. That's because all your IC Markets cTrader accounts are linked to your cTrader ID. Choose which one you want to use right now, either a demo account for practice or a live account if you're ready to trade real funds. Selecting the appropriate account helps you stay organized and avoid placing trades in the wrong environment. Once connected, you're ready to trade. Open your charts, load the instruments you plan to trade, and place orders as needed. Don't forget to set your stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk and lock in targets. At this point, you are fully connected, and all trading, charting, and order management features in cTrader are available. If you ever need an alternative method, you can log in manually. Open cTrader, go to the File menu, and select Login to Trade Account. Enter your account number, your trading password, and the correct server name provided by your broker. When the connection is successful, you'll hear a confirmation sound. If a login fails, double-check that the server matches exactly and that you're using credentials for the correct account type. That's the full process to connect IC Markets to cTrader quickly and confidently. Follow these steps, choose the right account, and you'll be ready to trade without any confusion.